Welcome to Frogfoot Hollow, y'all. I'm Michael, my nephew Colton behind the camera. Alrighty, what are we doing today? Well, we're talking about alternative ways to be able to plant your seeds. Now, I got some seeds I'm starting a little early, and they're squash seeds, and I'm wanting to kind of experiment how early can I actually start these things using the mini greenhouses. And remember, my mini greenhouse, all it is a clear tote turned upside down on the ground. Now, there's a bunch of different ways to plant your seeds. I use Hall's tool trays, or tool seed trays. Tool trays. That messes with me every time, y'all. But I use Hall's tool seed trays to plant most of my seeds. Now, what do I do when I only got just a few seeds that I want to plant? And by I mean few, just a few. I use pretty much any method I can think of. I've used toilet paper tubes. I've used egg cartons. I've used quite a bit of different things. What have I found out that works the best? Well, little cups. These are actually yogurt cups. No yogurt. But these are yogurt cups. And you can go and get the Dixie cups or something like that. But we already had these. So let's reuse. Don't throw away. But we're actually going to be drilling some holes in the bottom of these. And we're going to be putting the dirt in and then planting our seeds. Now, what seeds are we going to be planting? Well, we got gentry squash, we got slick pick, we got one ball, we got sunburst patty pan, and we got pink banana jumbo squash that we're going to be planting. Now, again, these seeds are not actually going to be all planted as far as everything I'm wanting. I'm just doing a little starter to get ahead of myself. So I'm going to have them in the ground before I have my actual big number of seeds going. So let's get to it, y'all. How are we actually going to drill the holes? Well, first you need this. One year I tried a knife, pocket knife. It didn't work so well. But you need to drill some holes in the bottom of these cups so that way you can drain water. Now you see this little triangle right here? I don't know why, if it's OCD or what, but I always want to drill at least one hole there. And make sure that you let it go in and pull it back out twisting, so that way it don't leave any extra plastic pieces. And then I do one there, one there, one there, one there. Now, doing one at a time works, but when you got a bunch of them, do it one time. I just grab a few of them. It holds up a lot better. Drill all the way through them and do it again. When you're stacked together like this, it's easier to drill. And as you can see, it went all the way through. All right, so we're gonna set that aside right now. So, when we got our cups drilled with holes, we're going to check the inside and make sure there's no plastic pieces that can get plugged up, because these are actually the drain holes. Now, if you do get a plastic piece that's plugging up a hole, like that one right there is, all you do, take a drill, come from the inside, and do like that. It clears out that plastic piece and breaks that piece off. You ain't got to worry about it. So, dirt. Now again, I'm using Miracle-Gro Seed Starter potting mix. And all I'm going to do, just fill up the cup. Now pack it in a little bit. I don't want any air pockets. Just like that. I'm going to take my seeds. I'm just doing one per. And all I'm going to do is push him down a little bit and cover him up. All right, guys. So that's how we're actually going to be planting the seeds. Now I got 22 of these things to do. I'm going to do 5 of each, except for the pink banana squash here. I'm only doing 2 of these. I'm going to do more later, but just 2 for right now. All right, so we're going to get busy and get hopping on drilling all these holes and putting the dirt in all the cups and planting all the little seeds where they need to go. So y'all enjoy. right, guys. So we got our seeds planted in our yogurt cups, as you can see. And we went back and we actually labeled the cups what they were with a marker. So that way, when we go to plant them, yeah, we don't lose what they are and have wonder plants. I wonder which one that one is, and I wonder what that one is. So we're actually going to be using this clear tote right here as a mini greenhouse. And all we're going to do is put these on the ground, just like this. Oops. Let's just pretend this is the ground, y'all. And we're gonna put them like that, and we're gonna just put it right here. Voila, instant greenhouse, y'all. This thing is wonderful. And well, some of them fit my Hoss Tool seed trays, and with this one, don't. It's a little smaller, so it works out perfectly for these cups here that I'm wanting. All right, guys, it's been a great day. I appreciate y'all coming and joining me on this day. And for some of y'all watched my Gross Out Challenged. I hope y'all like that thing, because I'm still paying the consequences of. And again, that's the last one I'm going to be doing. So anybody else challenges me, we'll see. All right, guys. This has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.